Question number 65. The lower horizontal line of the refrigeration cycle plotted on the pressure and enthalpy diagram. Pressure A. Condensation of refrigerant vapor. B. Evaporation of refrigerant liquid. C. Compression of refrigerant vapor. D. Metering of the refrigerant liquid. E. None of the above. इसका आंसर है B. Evaporation of refrigerant liquid. Question number 66. Mass flow ratio of NH3 in comparison of air and tail for some refrigeration load and some temperature limit is of the order of 1:1, 1:1, B 1:9, C 9:1, D 1:3, E 3:1. आंसर है B 1:9. Freon group of the refrigerant are A. Inflammable, B. Toxic, C. Non-inflammable and toxic, D. Non-toxic and inflammable, E. None of toxic non-inflammable. इसका आंसर है E. Non-toxic non-inflammable. Question number 68. Ammonia is non-toxic, non-inflammable, toxic and non-inflammable, highly toxic and inflammable. इसका आंसर है D. highly toxic and inflammable. Question number 69. In vapor compression cycle using NH3 as refrigerant, initial charge is filled at A. Suction end of compressor, B. Delivery of compressor, C. High pressure side close to receiver, D. Low pressure side near receiver, E. Everywhere in the cycle. आंसर है C. High pressure side close to receiver. Question number 70. Question 70. So horizontal line of pressure and enthalpy chart. So constant pressure line, constant AB, constant temperature line, C constant total heat line, D constant enthalpy line, E constant volume line. आंसर है A constant pressure line. Question 69. In vapor compression cycle using NH3 as refrigerant, initial charge in filled at A. Suction of compression, B. Delivery of compression, C. High pressure side close to receiver, D. Low pressure side near. हेलो दोस्त, कैसे हो आप लोग? आज फिर हम एक नई वीडियो के साथ आए हैं. RAC का कुछ MCQ क्वेश्चन है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 61. ये पहला क्वेश्चन है. इससे पहले हमने पिछली वीडियो में क्वेश्चन कराया है, देख सकते हैं आप आगे. तो चलिए. इन refrigeration cycle the flow of refrigerant is controlled by A. compressor, B. condenser, C. evaporator, D. expansion valve, E. all of the above. इसका आंसर है D. expansion valve. Question number 62. Where does the lowest temperature occur in vapor compression cycle? A. condenser. Question number 43. The leak in a refrigeration system using freon and detected by A. highlight torch, which on detection product produce greenish flame lighting. B. sulfur strike, which on direction gives white smoke. C. using radiant. D. smiling. E. Sensing reduction in pressure. Answer है A. A light torch which is on direction produce greenish flame light. Question 64. Write up increment statement. A. Lithium bromide used in vapor absorption cycle is non-volatile. B. Lithium bromide plate cannot be operated below 0 degrees centigrade. C. A separator